Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make kimchi stew with pork. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of pork belly or shoulder, which adds incredible depth. Grab 2 cups of well-fermented kimchi, cut into easy-to-eat pieces. Don't forget 1 medium onion, sliced, and 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced. Finally, have 1 block of firm tofu, cubed, and 2 green onions, chopped, ready for later. Now, let's build those incredible flavor layers. Begin by sautéing your pork in a pot over medium heat until it's beautifully browned, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, toss in the sliced onion and minced garlic, cooking them until they become wonderfully fragrant. Finally, stir in your prepared kimchi and let it cook down for another 5 to 7 minutes. This crucial step creates a rich, savory foundation for your delicious stew. It's time to bring our stew to simmering perfection. Carefully pour in 4 cups of anchovy broth, or water if you prefer, to form the liquid base. Then, add 2 generous tablespoons of gochujang, which is Korean chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of gochugaru, or Korean chili flakes, for that signature spice. Bring everything to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it gently simmer for about 20 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. We're almost ready to enjoy this fantastic meal. Gently add your cubed firm tofu to the simmering stew and let it cook for another 5 minutes, allowing it to absorb all those amazing flavors. Just before serving, stir in 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil for an extra layer of richness. Garnish generously with your chopped green onions for a fresh, vibrant touch. Serve your piping hot kimchi stew with a warm bowl of rice and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.